Hi, I'm Alexi.
And I'm Arie.
If you're new to our channel, welcome! Please remember to subscribe.
We do new videos every week.
Today we're gonna make toffee cookies. We like making toffee cookies for our friends and family during Christmas. For our family's holiday cookie recipe, you'll need 1 teaspoon of baking soda, vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of salted butter, 2 cups of toffee bits, 2 1/2 cups of flour, and a sifter for the flour. If you don't have a sifter, you can also use a strainer to sift the flour. Before you begin, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. First, sift the flour and baking soda. In a separate bowl, cream together the melted butter, sugar, brown sugar, and vanilla extract. Mix well. Then add 1 egg into the mixture. Mix and add the second egg. Now, add the 2 cups of toffee to the mixture. Mix it together. Then, combine the wet and dry ingredients. Grease a baking pan with oil or butter. Use a spoon or your hands to roll the cookies into the size you want. We used a small ice cream scoop. Make sure you set the cookies about 2 inches apart on the pan and bake it for 10 to 12 minutes. When a toothpick comes out clean after poking it in the cookie center, they should be done. Now you can enjoy and share with family and friends. Hope you liked our video. Please subscribe.